Hey class, I hope everyone's doing well. We have a couple things this week I want to shed some light on. First of all, I want to thank you guys for turning in your work and participating. You guys have been doing great. I know it's random and difficult at times, but I appreciate your hard work. And I did notice that there are a few of you who aren't completely finishing the assignments. Just make sure that before you submit, you're getting everything done. We're trying to leave comments to you as soon as we can. As soon as we can get your assignment, we try to give comments to you, and we send out reminders on Thursday to get things done. So for the most part, you guys are doing a phenomenal job, and I appreciate you. This week we have a couple of things. There's a PowerPoint or a slides presentation you're going to do about the scientific revolution scientists. And then after that, you're going to be creating a playlist. We've done a playlist just like this before. It was for Africa, though. You guys did African Empires playlist. You're going to create fictitious song names by fake artists and fake albums that all have to do with one of the scientific revolution people. So, if you were to do Galileo, and you know that he used telescopes to see craters on the moon, you might have a song that says Telescope is the name of the song. And the album could be I See Craters on the Moon. And the artist would be the Galileos, right? So you just have to make sure you have facts about the 7 different scientists on your playlist. And it's just a way to just have some fun and be creative and process the information. Another thing you're going to do is watch a few videos, which is also going to be on the playlist. There'll be 3 questions on the playlist worksheet that has you respond to some questions from videos you're going to watch, a few of them. There's some rap battles in there, which are kind of fun, kind of silly, but fun. Then you're going to, on Thursday, be assigned an invention worksheet where you're going to create your own invention. So think about problems that need to be solved and some inventions that you could come up with. You're going to have a worksheet you're going to do that, for that. You're going to take a picture of your drawn invention. And then next week, we're going to have a little invention showcase for some of the top inventions. So try your hardest, do your best, and have a little fun. I hope everyone is healthy and stay positive. And hey, there's only 6 more weeks left of school. So hopefully there will be a summer school. There's lots of unknowns, but hopefully there will not be summer school. And you guys stay safe, healthy, and be kind to your people. Take it easy.